Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about my tips and tricks on your holiday recovery, getting over all of the last entire month of eating, because I don't know about you guys, but for me, I literally ate every piece of chocolate and cookie and goodie and deliciousness that came about the entire month of December. I'm going to share with you guys some of my tips and tricks on holiday recovery and how to get past all of the indulgence that you've done the last month. So before we dive into this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And without further ado, here are my tips and tricks on your holiday recovery for 2019. So tip number one is don't beat yourself up, you guys. I know it's really hard to not do this because you spent the last month just like me eating super shitty and shoving all the scrap in your mouth. And maybe you put a little bit of weight on, because you know, I'm gonna be honest, I've definitely put a little bit of weight on from this holiday season, and I normally don't do that, but it's just what happened. So don't beat yourself up, don't be hard on yourself, just appreciate the fact that you were like, hey, I'm gonna actually enjoy things and live my life instead of being so consciously worried about your weight and about putting weight on, because even if you put a little bit on, you can take that off and it will be possible. I promise you guys it will. So tip number two is focusing on getting your diet and your eating habits back on track. So we all know that these foods are indulgent and bad and we shouldn't be eating them at Christmas time and the holiday season, but they just taste so damn good. So good. So make a plan, like I said to you guys in my previous planning video that is on my channel if you want to check that out. Making a planner of some sort that you guys can use every month, and you can plan out the days that you're going to work out, plan out when you're going to meal prep, plan out healthy habits on paper, because it will make your goal more measurable. So focusing on getting everything back in routine, get back to your eating habits where you're not buying all of the chocolate anymore and you're not looking at the sale chocolate and going, oh, I could just eat more of that. So focusing on getting your eating habits and your routine back on track. Tip number three is drinking lots and lots and lots of water with lemon, you guys. So you can either do the fresh squeezed lemon, you can do lemon essential oil as long as it's certified pure therapeutic grade essential oil. Get that in your body to help detox your body, because honestly, you guys, you've put it through hell the last month because you indulged in all of the deliciousness. So your liver is needing some support. So lemon is amazing for liver detox, hormone balancing, skin, so many benefits. I will make a whole other video on that, I think, but getting that in your diet every single day. So start the morning with a glass of lemon water. Also doing hot water with lemon is really good. It's actually meant to be a stronger detox because of the warmth of it, and it definitely does taste stronger when you drink it. So whichever you prefer, trying to get that added into your daily routine. And then, like I said, you guys, setting out your meal prep. So meal prepping on Sundays or Wednesdays or whatever day works best for you. I always meal prep Sundays, and then I'll cook a couple times throughout the week if I need to. But making sure you do the whole shebang, like the rice and the chicken and like all of that stuff all in one sitting on Sunday, makes your day and your week so much easier and so much more simple, because everything is so crazy. So nail down your meal prep day, and then check out my meal prep recipes that will be coming this month. I will share with you guys what I like to cook for some healthy meals. And then my final tip for you guys is don't limit the amount of treats, because everyone buys Christmas chocolates and you get Christmas chocolates on Christmas Day. And if you haven't already eaten them, and it's January, which I haven't eaten all mine because I tend to like graze at my chocolate, don't limit yourself. Still have one little chocolate piece a day or one little chocolate bar a day. Indulge and still enjoy your life, enjoy the Christmas season, enjoy the things that you love, and don't limit yourself, because life is too short to live this scheduled regime where you're like, I'm not gonna eat anything that's bad for me, because that's not living. And if you sacrifice all of your cravings and wants and desires, you're never going to stay consistent on any meal plan or any meal prep or any diet or exercise. It's just all going to fall by the wayside if you just limit yourself, because then you're going to see that thing and you're going to binge and you're just going to be like, ah, and shove it all in your face. So don't do that. Don't limit. Just treat yourself, love yourself, and work on progress forward. So that is my 2019 tips and tricks for you guys on how to recover from Christmas 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.